Hi, I'm Habiba from Craftify My Love and welcome to today's video. I love reading books and I love to craft. Can you get the connection? I love to craft bookmarks. I have a free pattern for you to download over at craftifymylove.com/freebie. And if you grab that, you can make these fun little fellows. You will find patterns for the different hairdos, for accessories and stuff like that, and you can make your very own, very individual and unique bookmark. I bet there won't be one like the other. And of course, I won't leave you to crafting them on your own. Just continue watching this video and we'll do it together, step by step. But before we start, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and hit the little notification bell. As always, I will link to the supplies you need, to related tutorials, and to your free download for the template below in the info section. Okay, and now let's get started. Download the free template over at craftifymylove.com/freebie and print it on freezer paper. Find your stash of felt sheets and cut the template to size and decide on the color of felt you want to use. Iron the freezer paper to the felt. No steam, and a light press with medium heat should be enough. And then it's time to cut them. Cut along the lines and start peeling the freezer paper off again. This is a thicker felt, so it will stay perfectly in shape. If you have a thinner felt, the form might change a bit, but that's not a big deal. Don't stress about that. Now, prepare the ribbon that will be the marker, the actual marker in the book, and start setting your mix and match bookmark together, adding little accessories like those orange fail tethers, the rickrack, and the hairdo. Give the lady a bow in her hair. Decide on the placement and the sparkly flower. Place the eyes and the beak and the wings. And if you're happy with that, I am, then it's time to glue it together. I suggest you leave the tail a little longer because I found this was too short to place it in my book. I am using spray adhesive I have from a patchwork project left. I will link to it and to maybe a little cheaper option in the info section below. Spray it carefully and place the ribbon in place. Actually, press it down at the tail feathers and maybe add a little more spray on top of the ribbon. And then find the other part of the body and press it down firmly. Same with the hair. I think I start with decorating the flower, not the flower, the bow first. Find the right placement for it and stick it down. I am using craft glue for the little flower. You could use hot glue as well. This dries so much faster, you guys. And then you will spray the hairdo. Try not to spray the top part, like the bun, else it will stick to the ribbon. And put it in place. What's next? The eyes. In this craft, I am using craft glue. I've made another owl previous to this, and I used hot glue, and I think I liked the quicker dry phase better, but both works fine. Whatever you have at home, it will be. The beak, fold it in half, spray half of it, and then glue it in place right between the eyes. I like to use a sort of tool to to press it down. Sometimes it doesn't work. And then the wings. You fold them sort of in half and spray the top. And then you place them around your little owl friend. And, you know, just push and press until it's secure. Don't you like? She's having the crazy look. I love it. The other wing as well. And then press everything together and basically you're done. Why not make some other options? With the mix and match template you have several hairdos and you can even make a penguin. Give the penguin a flower and she's a girl. I hope you like this craft, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have fun crafting and see you soon. Bye bye!